equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the process of replacing the SSD in your Dell Vostro 5000 series laptop. This upgrade can significantly enhance your device's performance. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger for safe handling of components. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if your model allows it. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. There are typically around 8 to 10 screws to remove. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully take these out. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the existing SSD. It's usually secured with a single screw. Remove this screw and gently slide the SSD out of its slot. If you're replacing it with a new SSD, ensure it's compatible with your Vostro model. Insert the new SSD at an angle, then press it down and secure it with the screw you just removed. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other areas. This helps maintain optimal airflow and cooling. Now, let's put the back panel back on. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they're tightened securely but not overly tight, as this can strip the threads. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the battery if applicable, and power on your laptop. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure the new SSD is recognized. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional diagnosis without obligation. After confirming the SSD is detected, you can proceed to install your operating system or restore from a backup. If you need assistance, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. And there you have it. Your Dell Vostro 5000 series laptop is now equipped with a new SSD, ready to deliver improved performance. If you have any questions or need further help, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to make your tech experience seamless. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.